Hello, welcome back to the second part of the video. I realized that the problem was something more complicated. It has to do with pointers, where stuff are stored. So the problem with temp hero is that, and so I tried a few things, and it seemed like I have two copies of James. It's overwriting the first one. The reason is when I read the file, if I have two heroes, then it's storing the first one inside as temp hero, and in the last line down here, I'm storing temp hero in a new location of the array of heroes. Now notice that hero counter will increment when it reaches the next hero. However, the problem is temp hero is still pointing, so temp hero it's associated with the previous list, the attributes for that hero. Now, if I change it, it will also change the ones before. So basically, what's happening is if so currently my temp hero could be Charles, and then on my second line, when I read new data, I'm changing temp hero class, race, and attack. But temp hero is stored into this, so this will point towards temp hero. So if I change anything in temp hero, it will also change the values up here as well. So that will cause a problem. Now, a way to get around this is either to clone temp hero, which apparently, after brief read, I couldn't find it inside of VB. In other languages, there is a clone function. Um, there probably is. It's just probably something more complicated to do. So instead, a simple way to get around it is instead of using temp hero, not use temp hero at all. So I deleted the line somewhere up here. There's a temp hero. Delete that and use this instead. So we're just going to refer to elements inside that list to be safe. So my element, this hero counter -1, this -1 is to compensate for this +1 to make sure that I start counting from 0. So call this new hero, and then all I need to do is replace all my temp heroes. So this shouldn't take too much time. All I'm doing is replacing, double click, replace, double click, replace, double click, replace, double click, replace, place, and then I'm done. I don't need this line anymore. Pretty sure that should work. Let's give it a try. Now for the other parts that have temp hero, I think those are okay. I can't think of a reason why. Let's see, I'm just thinking, could there be a reason why this won't work? I'm saving out. It could not. It could be possible that this won't work as well. So it's best to be safe to do this. Replace all of that with this. And replace that as this as well, and get rid of the dim. It's a dim. And that's pretty much it. And I can go ahead and delete this line, and that's it. Save. Do you like it? No, okay, of course. I'm not dimming it as a new hero. It already exists. Alright, so I think this will work, but it's very likely that there will be a couple of issues. I rarely get everything to work the first time. There's always going to be a debugging process. So first, let me test by, let me just change this file back to normal. Actually, I can keep it like that. Let's see if this works. Good, so that gives me the 3 names, and now my XML is messed up because it corrupted the James. So that works, and this works, all good. Now if I try to add a new, let's call it Sally class, so let's change it from, just because I used Rogue before. I'm going to mix it up so that I can test other features as well. Some random data. I'm going to save, create it, go back here, load. Does it show up? Yes, it does show up down here. And then go back here. Does it show up here? It also shows up here. Excellent. So I think that's it. I can't see any bugs with it so far, although it's very likely that there might be some small bugs. There's always some. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching.